My new lover started to count to forward high beginner level line dance. Section 1, starting foot, right foot, side rock, recover, cross shuffle, cross, shuffle, left foot, side rock, recover, cross shuffle, cross, shuffle. Section 1, count to 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, right foot, side rock, recover, cross shuffle, cross, shuffle. Left foot, side rock, recover, quarter turn, right step forward, left foot, forward shuffle step, shuffle step. Section 2, count to 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, right foot, forward rock, recover, step back, left foot, kick, left foot, back walk, walk, coaster step, starting foot, left foot. Section 3, count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section, right foot, side rock, recover, cross shuffle, cross, shuffle, left side sway, right side sway, left side sway, left foot, weight on left, right cross, kick. Section 4, count 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count right foot. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enjoy the dance.